rent here is like $3,600. It's kind of crazy. You can only sit here if you made a reservation through my app. It's just a little crusty, but so am I. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell and be notified every time I post. And my social media will be somewhere here. If you'd like to follow, come through. I get super personal on my Instagram and TikTok, so feel free to follow me there. And let's get into the video. Today, I will be doing an apartment tour. So I recently moved into this studio apartment. This apartment has such a unique layout. It's like an L-shaped studio, so when you walk in, you don't see the bed. I'm very like anti-studios, but this is like the first studio that I've been like, okay. Like, you know, you can like pretend like it's a one bedroom. And it has a beautiful kitchen, a beautiful bathroom, and it has floor to ceiling windows. It's gorgeous. So I'm gonna be showing you guys my studio apartment in New York City. And the rent here is like $3,600. It's kind of crazy. I actually will be moving soon, if I'm being so transparent. I wanted to do a tour anyways because like I felt like this was such a unique space and I wanted to show how I decorated and stuff. Hey guys, so this is my apartment tour in Brooklyn. I live in a studio, and I know like I hate a studio. Like that was absolutely like not the vibe I wanted. However, this is an L-shaped studio, so when you walk in, you don't like really see the beds. You kind of trick yourself that it's a one bedroom, which is what I've been doing. So right as you walk into this studio, which by the way is way too much money for what it's worth. It's in a luxury building, and like it's very nice and convenient, but oh my god, the space is like not there. And I know that like we're in New York City, or we collectively are in New York City, so like of course that would be the case, but like the rent is like literally almost $4,000, so I don't know if it's worth it. So this is the door when you first walk in, and here I have a washer dryer. I put my little keys dangling here, and I just use the top for storage, even though you're kind of like not supposed to, but like whatever. And here is the coat closet. It's okay. It's like kind of small. Not a big fan. And honestly, this entrance, I thought that this would be enough space when you enter, but it's not. I've struggled with, this is like the smallest space in my apartment. It's a little bit of a struggle when you have like groceries or like you come in with a suitcase. So right here is still the hallway, and I have this little mirror here just to see my outfits and all that. And then I have this little thing that in my last apartment used to be like what held my TV, but now it's my shoe rack because it's the only thing that I had that would fit in this space. And I have some of my few favorite bags right over here, but I have my pumpkins here. I have my little angel wings or devil wings, whatever you'd like to think. And just random like marshmallow pumpkin latte because I love her. This is a mess, but I have my Louis here and my like YSL to display so that I feel fancier than I am. So here's my bathroom, and I know I talked a lot about this apartment thus far, but this is actually like one of the best parts of the apartment is the bathroom. The bathroom and the kitchen are the best parts, just because I've never had such a nice bathroom. It's so spacious, and like the bathtub is so like deep and nice. I am definitely gonna miss that. There's a shower head, and then there's like another shower head, which I've never had that luxury personally, so that went nuts here. There's a lot of cabinet space, like this little like mirror thing. There's just so much, like this is so many products, you know, and I've definitely taken that advantage. I've bought so many more products. And then there's a more like space down here, which is nice. Another funny thing I do, since I have so many products, I literally put like a bunch of Lush products on top of my cat's litter box in this little section right here. I don't know why, it's just become like a thing, and that's where they all collect. So coming from the hallway and the bathroom, and now this is my kitchen, and this is the real reason I got this apartment, because I thought the kitchen was beautiful. I'm interrupting this video because I have a product that I am so excited about, especially for people who live in New York City and have like little apartments. because I have always wanted to have a treadmill in my apartment, but I live in New York City. There's like no way, like no shot, no way, no how, no girl, like that's not happening. However, I found this website called Walking Pad, and they have like little treadmills. They also have big versions too, so if you do have a house, good for you. No, but like if you have a house, then you can actually get like big treadmills from them. But I got this super cute walking pad, which you can easily just fit into your closet. So I'm absolutely obsessed with, and we're gonna unbox it. It's this huge box behind me. So let's unbox it, and I am so excited to see it. It's the Walking Pad C2 mini foldable treadmill. So I love that it's foldable. The reason I've always wanted a walking pad or like a little treadmill is because I've always wanted to like watch TV in my bedroom or like in my living room and just like have a little walk. I don't know. Or like if you work and have a standing desk like in your apartment, the little treadmill moment, come on. Anyways, so they have a bunch of different options, and this is their smallest one. I purposely requested that, so let's take a gander. Okay, y'all, this is a box. This was so heavy actually, like I was so shocked. All right, y'all, I got it out of the box. And it is right here. So the walking pads actually come in a bunch of different colors. Like there are even some models that come in pink. This model was the smallest one and it's been come in pink. I just decided white would be like the cleanest color, so that's why I got white. But it also comes in black. It has a unique foldable design. So the 180-degree folding reduces the amount of space required, which is amazing. The KS Fit app displays your workout time, speed, calories burned, and all that type of stuff. There's also an EV layer in the running belt that protects your ankle and makes the running process smoother. There's also intelligent speed control by sensing your steps. And obviously this is super easy, although it is heavy. All I'm gonna do right now is put it on the ground, and that's like the setup. Okay guys, so we're on the floor. so it does come with a quick little setup guide right here, and it also does have the setup on the app as well, which is definitely something that I will be doing. Oh my god, my apartment's like a little bit messy, so take that as you will. Ooh, oh my god. She's like not that big. I wanted something that wasn't too crazy. I'm gonna first make this flat. Oop, okay. Okay, I totally missed that it came with a power cord, so oops on me for that. It looks like it also comes with this little tool. It comes with a remote controller as well. So here there's like a little thingamabob that opens, and I'm just gonna plug it in right here. Yay! This is so cool! Okay, so it's all truly controlled in the app. Okay, y'all, so I downloaded the app, and this is what it looks like. So it looks like you could navigate everything from here. That is so cool. I have to like add the device, so I will go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, that was like magical. It just like automatically did that. I literally just said it was the C2 and it's like connected. Oh, it's going, okay. Just the fact that you can just have like such a small version of this in your apartment is like just so sick. Okay, so I have just learned that there is an automatic mode. So if you step on the back area, the speed decreases, and you step in the front area, it increases. Guys, I found it. This is how you get it to go up or down. And it goes. Isn't that so cool? This is just the space between my bed and my little like studio apartment living room. So like it could truly fit anywhere, which is just so freaking cool. I'm so impressed. And it connected like so easily, and you could control everything right here. I don't know, it's kind of like everything. Anyways, this is super cool. I am so excited about this because look. Anyways, there's a power button back here. So I'm gonna hit it and it's gonna turn off. And then I'm gonna unplug it, and then look, it just folds. Like, that's it, you know? So then you could just shove it in your closet. The only con with this is that it is heavy, but also like, it's a whole big thing of steel. So like, how could it not be heavy? However, I do think this is really, really sick. Right here, it's like an L-shaped kitchen, so it just feels so like, it kind of feels like having a house. Like, I don't know, like, that might be like a bold statement, but it just like feels like I have kitchen space here, and then I have kitchen space here, and it just felt like a lot of opportunities. I don't know, never had like a kitchen. I've had like little fake kitchens. I lived in an apartment. The loft that just didn't have a kitchen entirely. Like I just had a hot plate. So this was really fun for me. Oh, I forgot that I could turn on my little like lights, which is cute, I think. And there's so many cabinets here. Like I will say this apartment does slay regarding that. There's even like space for me to fill more stuff up. It's so crazy how much space there is. And they even utilize like cabinets like right up here. Like they really make this apartment super, super convenient. The only thing is that there's no like true microwave. They have like this little thing right over here. I don't know what it's called, like a convention oven or something. I mean, it works. Is that not what it is? What is it?
Convection, not a convention oven.
And there's a dishwasher, which has changed my life immensely. I've always been like, I could just do the dishes by hand. It's like not that big of a deal until I've had a dishwasher and like, oh my god, it is a big deal. I know you guys have seen a dishwasher before, so I don't have to show you what the inside looks like, but I love it so much. And now I can't live life without a dishwasher. My standards have been raised. I have my little paper towels, the pumpkins, I have some candles. I have like a cute little pumpkin soap right now. And here's my Nespresso machine. She's a little crusty, but so am I. We have like these cute little like Himalayan salt lamps. And I have this little apothecary black candle. The rent is $4,000 here, so but they gave this for free when you moved in, which is so nice. This is my favorite part of my kitchen. My ghost marble slab. Isn't this the cutest thing in the world? And this marble ghost slab is my favorite thing in the world. There's no rhyme reason for it, at least that I know, but it's just beautiful and it sits right here and it's everything to me. As for the fridge, I hate it. It's one of the worst fridges I've ever had. I've lived in smaller apartments with much better fridges. Like, why is there this rack that takes up like all of the space in the world? I can't fit one goddamn thing in this fridge. I hate it, and I hate Bosch for making it. I will give this fridge one thing and one thing only, that there is an ice maker. That's a plus. This is the table that I bought, and like while I love it and it's beautiful, I can't leave one wet thing on it before it leaves a stain. So it's a nightmare of a table, really. It's beautiful. I love her. You know that Nicki Minaj.
Of course, she's not a ladybug. She's huge, but she's so beautiful. She's a mammoth, of course.
So she's beautiful, but I hate her. And these chairs are kind of like everything, me lifting this chair. But like, this is a beautiful chair. I love it. I think it's like the most like modern thing that I have here. Like, it's the one thing that I'm like, maybe I do have taste. And the thing that makes my kitchen exclusive is my reserved sign. You can only sit here if you made a reservation through my app. Okay, so this is my closets. There's only 2 closets in this apartment. It's pretty big. I shove everything in there, so it's not very nice and pretty, but it works. It's fine, I guess. I've had bigger closets before. So right here was the kitchen, and now it's the living room. But, you know, it is kind of nice that, like, again, like, you really don't see the bed until you're facing here. So see, from this angle, you really would be like, oh, it's a 1-bedroom. Okay, so here is my little like drawer and my TV and my PS4. Had to allocate space, so the dressers had to be there. We need more space, we need more closets. This place does kind of lack in closets, but a plethora of cabinets. So in my living room, I have my little coffee table right here, and I have my pink couch with all the white fluffy pillows and fluffy blankets. And here I have my desk set up. So here's my table, and here I have like all my makeup and stuff. So all my makeup and my table that I literally never use. I should use it more. I end up just like always working on the couch with my little like laptop stand right here. I'm always like this. I am never at my table. This tends to be the makeup table. And I also have Sage's automated cat food right over there. And right here, I put these little things because they just perfectly fit in this like little section. So I thought that was cute. So there's actually like no lights in this section, which I think is just so bizarre. There's only a light in the hallway. So I bought this lamp, and I totally didn't even realize that this is like a lamp that I had bought previously in college, that I just happened to have bought again from IKEA. Yeah, she's here. She just serves her purpose. And I like that it's movable and there's like 3 of them, so She's a good starter lamp, I feel. So right here in this space, there's actually like a little nook right here. So this makes for the perfect space for a closet. So I got this closet from IKEA. It's such a mess, but like just for my regular, since there's like not that much closet space here, so I had to like really do the most. And I designed it myself in IKEA and designed the space, and I designed like the handles and like the mirror. She was way more expensive than I thought she would be, but she's here for life. For lifers. So as you can see, like literally this little nook is made for something to be put in it. I also decided to put these white curtains. These weren't there before. They're like roller shades here, so it like goes down like this. But me and my mom actually decided to like create like a little bar up top and put these white curtains just for like a more feminine, cute touch. It doesn't do anything because it's so sheer, but like it's just like cute and femme. And right here is Sage's favorite spot. She's such a cutie pie here. Since these are floor to ceiling windows, I thought that it would be great for Sage to have like a little cat perch. I put it up so high before and like she was not able to get up and she would cry to me, but here's the perfect height for her. It just folds up, then the shades can just go down super easily. And here's how the windows open. And Sage loves looking out the window. It's your favorite thing to do. And this is my bedroom. I haven't really decorated anything here because I honestly just sleep here and like I mostly hang out on the couch or like the kitchen. But I did put up this one painting here, so that's valiant effort. There's also another window here that is always rolled shut because I think that that's so weird. I see people cross like in their beds and I think that's so bizarre. I do have a really nice tree though, so it's like really cute if you want to come look at the view. It is nice. It's like super chill and you can like see, I mean you can see into other people's apartments, but like the trees are super nice and you can see like there's like a little park in this like vicinity. And I did put up string lights, and that is another way that I decorated, but it kind of flopped. Like I don't know, I don't love them. Yeah, and then I put like a little dream catcher right over there. Anyways, that is my apartment tour. And I will be leaving soon. Anyways, and actually upgrading so much, so I'm so excited. And I'll give you guys like a for real apartment tour soon too. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my apartment tour, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to check out Walking Pad and the link in the description. Alright, bye guys.